Sel, join ka sa kuwan? Rampa-rampa?
Ah, yes. And empower services. Okay, but before we start, let us all stand. Let's all stand and we call on Miss Lorna. Miss Lorna Wate to lead the opening prayer, followed by our national anthem by Miss Maricel. Yes.
Sel,
Okay, yung pupulatin ang ating mundo sa panalangin. Panginoon, maraming salamat po sa hapong ito na binigyan mo po kami ng magandang panahon upang ipagdiwang namin ang aming Christmas party at anniversary. Salamat, Panginoon, sa patuloy na pag-iingat ninyo sa amin na kami ay nakarating sa lugar na ito na ligtas. Panginoon, hinihingi po namin ang inyong kapatawaran kung kami man po ay nagkulang at nagkasala sa inyo. Ito po ang aming tanging hiling sa pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
ay doon pala doon. Wala nang burot-burot. Okay, palista mo. Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Upang hinira, tuloy ka lang mag-ibig, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit lugaw, may lagang tula at awit sa paglayang namahal, ang isap ng watawat ng tagumpay na nagniningning, ang bituin at aral niyang kailan pa may di magdidilim, lupa ng araw ng awal ating pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na ba't may mga api, ang matay ng dahil sa'yo.
Hi! I'm Carla 34, representing from Argentina. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Wilma Cuscodio, representing Brazil. Hi. Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
Representing to Colombia.
What is your name? Can you mention your name, please?
Sorry. I'm Edita Gayonan.
Yes! Sinita. Mine. Ask you to mention your name.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. I'm Nida Lumawan from Denmark.
Yes!
Hi sa inyong lahat. I'm Alma Dunyo representing from Hong Kong. By the way, good afternoon everyone. My name is Angeline Maynado representing from Good afternoon everyone. My name is Lilette, representing
India! Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Hannah, representative of Japan. Wow! Hi, everyone.
Good evening. My name is Selena Uli, 23, from Mexico.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Girlie De La Cruz, 32-year-old, from Malaysia. And I believe, naniniwala ako sa kasabihan, di baling pagsabihan kang mahiyain kaysa pagsabihan kang walang hiya. Ang kapal ng mukha. And I tell you! Everyone, I'm really Concord, 67, representing from Norway. Naniwala ko sa kasabihan, bakit man ako sa inyong paligid, mas pangit ang susunod sa... I'm Lorna, 26 virgin from Peru. Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Maymay, 22 years old, almost 2 years, OFW in Malaysia, and I'm from Hi, may hapon sa tanan. Represent, ay ako na ay si Renalyn Lakiri, representing from Spain. Hi, hello everyone. My name is Jenny, 28 years old. I'm representing Sweden. seen a glimpse of their individual personalities as they spoke about themselves. So let us give all our candidates a round of applause.
Thank you, candidate.
We have our minor awards for tonight. Best in talent, Pose and Daring 30%, Master 30%, Self-introduction 30%, Audience impact 10% for a total of 100%.
Anong napakalaga ng buhay sa daigdig? Darating mag-isang at magbabago kung bawat pagdating ay laging pagod. Ang alahing dito sa mundo get you. Are you ready? 'Cause I'm coming to get you. Get you, get you. All night, I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
Dead! Hindi ka doon?
Yung mga anak ko. Tagal ko na sa abroad, hindi ko nakita yung mga anak ko.
Mga anak, ano nangyari sa inyo? Nagpunta ka na abroad. Hindi namumulong ng pera. Nagpunta ka na abroad para sa kinabukasan ninyo. Bakit gano'n? Bakit ka na? Ganito ba yun? Nakunalanan ko sa inyo? Ha? Hindi niyo binigyan ng halaga ang paghihirap ko doon. Wala na ko nangyayari na sa inyo. Para sa kinabukasan ninyo. Mahal ko. Sana naman pinahalagahan ang paghihirap mo sa amin. At binigyan niyo na lang. Ito sa paghihirap ko doon, hindi ako naman kasaya sa hapon. Nagtatrabaho ako. Nagtatrabaho ako para sa inyo.
Wala na.
Watch that scene, taking a dancing queen. Right night on the place for love. Looking out for the place to go. Words played or music, getting at the street. You come looking for it. Anybody could be that night. Night is young and the music high. Rhythm of music, everything is fine. You're in the mood for a dance. And when you get a chance, you are the dancing queen. Young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the pain from the tambourine. You can dance, you can jive, having the time of your life. Oh, see that girl, watch that scene, taking a dancing queen. Thank you.
Woo! Ah,
Accept na lang for it.
concert mo pala to?
Ayoko na mo nang makita ka. Ayoko na mo nang makasama. Gusto ko sana.
Nakasan mo! Nakasan!
Hindi na yata tayo masaya. Hindi na yata kakayanin ka. Gusto ko munang mabagsa. Siguro ikaw na lang. Intindihin mo na. Kailangan lang natin ng pahinga. Hey! Hey!
Hey!
Palayain ang isa't isa. Kung tayo ay talaga. Palayain ang isa't isa. Kung tayo ay talaga.
Ako! Ako! Really?
Look at me in your eyes. I see you right. We're trying hard to hide now. If someone knew you found it, you want me to believe that it's the How can you hurt me this way? Everything
Kalimutan ko ilabay.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this song is dedicated to all everyone who are shooting na may sila pero wala!
Ganda. 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 Salita. Si Andy. Tita, tita. One daw. Light. Light, light. Oh. Light daw.
When? Arthritis? Why?
Okay, your question. If you could have dinner with three influential people, dead or alive, who would it be and why? Kung maaari ka maghapunan kasama ang tatlong may influensyang tao, patay o buhay, sino sila at bakit? So, thank you sa magandang kung magbibigyan ako ng isang pagkakataon na magkaroon ng isang dinner, ang isasama ko siyempre yung isang una, yung boss ko, si Boss Brian, and then ang CEO, si Ma'am Jo, and then next, and
Next time, don't force it.
Ma'am Gina. That is the three person together dinner that night. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you, Miss Meru. We call on Miss Malaysia. Take your question. Your question goes like this. What role do you think education plays in shaping a person's character? Ano sa tingin mo ang papel ng edukasyon sa paghubog ng pagkatao ng isang tao? Good evening again, ladies and gentlemen. For me, as of my experience to myself, it's very important the education because without education, we don't know what we are and we don't know what we do, especially right now. Even we say, I'm just a housemate like that, but I'm proudly to say, even I didn't say I pursue my educated or what else in Philippines I got. So I don't mind. But I just proudly I can speak English. So I understand because I learn about when I'm at in school, of course. And I thank you.
Thank you, Miss Malaysia, for the wonderful. Japan, Miss Japan. Your question goes like this. If you could meet any historical figure, who would it be and what would you ask them? Kung makikilala mo ang sinumang makasaysayang figura o sinaunang tao, sino ito at ano ang itatanong mo sa kanila?
Good evening sa inyong lahat. Kung pagbibigyan po ako ng pagkakataon na na ma-meet ang isang tao na makasaysayang tao, ang gusto ko pong ma-meet ay si Jose Rizal at ang gusto ko pong itanong sa kanya kung anong kasalanan niya, bakit siya pinatay. Yan lang po. Salamat.
Okay, thank you, Miss Japan.
Sana may ilaw. Ano nga matay ilaw nito?
Okay, your question, Miss Colombia. What lessons have you learned from past failures? Anong mga aral ang natutunan mo sa mga nakaraang kabiguan?
Good evening, Tol. Ang natutunan kong aral sa kabiguan ay isa yung yung mahirap lang ako. Bigo ako noon na hindi ako nakatapos ng pag-aaral. Kaya, nandito ako ngayon, kahit mahirap, malayo sa pamilya. Salamat.
Your question is, why do you want to win this pageant? Bakit mo gustong manalo sa pageant na ito? Oh, thank you for that wonderful question, but let me think first. I don't think so. Gusto ko, kung ako ang mananalo, parang next time, gagawa tayo ng, proper program, like that. Like, your question goes like this. Is social media bringing people together or causing separation? Why? Pinagsasama-sama ba ng social media ang mga tao o nagdudulot ng paghihiwalay? Bakit?
Wait. Yeah, good evening everyone. Ang sagot ko dito ay, para sa akin, ang social media ay hindi pinagsasama ang mga tao. Bakit? Kasi yung social media ay madaming cheating. See? Like issue na Maris and Anthony, like cheating. So, yung social media ay hindi pinagsasama ang isang tao, kundi
minsan pinaghihiwalayan. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Philippine. Your question is, if you could change one thing about the world, what would it be and why? Kung maaari mo baguhin ang isang bagay tungkol sa mundo, ano ito at bakit?
Siguro, maibibigay ko lang yung kahirapan. Kasi lahat po tayo nahihirapan talaga sa mundong ko. At Nako.
Your question is, what is one life lesson you've learned that you think everyone should know? Ano ang isang aral sa buhay na natutunan mo na sa tingin mo ay dapat malaman ng lahat?
Good evening, everyone. Yung natutunan ko aral, yung dapat. Yung sinagot ko, yung biyanan ko dahil sa tinatakpan niya yung anak na naman ibang.
Sayang, doon yung may ilaw.
Your question is, what qualities do you think make a great leader? Ano sa palagay mo ang mga katangian ng isang mahusay na pinuno? Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Question mo ay, ano sa palagay mo ang mga katangian ng isang mahusay na pinuno?
Ilang mahusay na pinuno. Kailangan gampanan natin ang ating katungkulin na gumawa ng mabuti para sundin ang tama ng lahat ng mga tao. Salamat.
How do you define success? Paano mo itinukoy o bigyan ng kahulugan ng tagumpay?
Okay, thank you for your wonderful questions. How to define success? For me, I can say when success, when I got the dream that I dream of. Like, I will give an example. Like, if I could get the dream of, like, I want to be an athlete and then I'll become one. So maybe that success will be. I think that's the success that I dream.
Okay, your question is, what is the meaning of success to you and what steps are you taking to achieve it? Ano ang kahulugan ng tagumpay para sa iyo at anong mga hakbang ang iyong ginagawa para makamit ito?
Isa lang yung masasabi ko, salamat sa wonderful question. Isa dyan is magpasalamat kita sa Ginoo. Isa dyan na always pray. Tapos maningkamot ka gatuwa. Tapos buhaton nimo kung unsay dapat maayo sa isang katao o sa kaning gusto nimo nga buhaton nga ma-achieve nimo sa imong kinabuhi. May lang salamat.
Your question is, if you could give your younger self one piece of advice, what would it be? Kung bibigyan mo ng payo ang iyong nakakabatang sarili ng isang pirasong payo, ano ito? Salamat sa magandang tanong. Para sa akin, masasabi ko sa kababatang sarili ko, yung baguhin ang lahat ng
ng nagawa ko noon. At, ayusin. Yun lang. Salamat.
Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad.
Actually! Okay, Ms. Peru, this is your question. How you define beauty and why do you believe it is important in today's society? Paano mo bibigyan kahulugan ang kagandahan at bakit ka naniniwala na mahalaga ito sa lipunan mo? For God, by the way, naniniwala ako sa kagandahan. Naniwala ako sa kagandahan sa ating society ngayon. Siyempre, hindi lang sa kagandahan sa pisikal, kundi hindi kagandahan sa ating kalooban. Dapat ang ating puso ang mangibabaw sa kagandahan ng lipunan natin. Thank you.
Thank you. How do you define beauty and why do you believe it is important in today's society? Paano mo bibigyang kahulugan ang kagandahan at bakit ka naniniwala na mahalaga ito sa lipunan ngayon?
Okay, thank you for your wonderful questions. For me, beauty is everything. You know why? Because, for example, if you want to apply in like being an actress, so if you have the beauty, of course, do it. And I thank you.
Your question, Miss Philippines. How do you define beauty and why do you believe it is important in today's society? Paano mo bibigyang kahulugan ang kagandahan at bakit ka naniniwala na mahalaga ito sa lipunan ngayon?
Thank you for the question, Mom. Ang sagot ko dito ay the beauty is important to generation today because some other people want the beauty and study. That's all.
Your question is, how do you define beauty and why do you believe it is important in today's society? Paano mo bibigyan kahulugan ang kagandahan at bakit ka naniniwala na mahalaga ito sa lipunan ngayon?
Good evening to each and everyone. For me, beauty is important is not for physical and not just what you see for outside. If what we see, for example, for being a human. So we just, for me, I just, for myself, I just think that the beauty is from inside, not for outside. Thank you.
Beauty and why do you believe it is important in today's society? Paano mo bibigyan kahulugan ang kagandahan at bakit ka naniniwala na mahalaga ito sa lipunan ngayon?
For me, I don't really believe that beauty is very important nowadays because, you know, parang you need to have knowledge also, not just beauty because what is beauty without knowledge pa? Yeah, that's all.
As I now have the results in my head, and I'm going to reveal our winners for tonight. Starting with our fourth runner-up. Our fourth runner-up will be receiving a cash prize certificate and a cash. Our fourth runner-up will be awarded by Mr. Brian. Mr. Brian
going to receive a cash prize, certificate, and a sign. She will be awarded by Miss Julima. Our second runner-up goes to Carla.
She tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night in a song because she can't stop the crying, baby.
We will now announce our first runner-up. The first runner-up will take role that is very important since effort tonight's Miss Universe Qatar 2024 fails to fulfill her role and duties. The first runner-up will be the one to fill in her shoes and take on the crown as Miss Universe Qatar 2024. The first runner-up will be awarded by our judge, Miss Mary Lou Canto.
Isa ka, Carla? Mahilak ko. Mahilak ka ko na. Guys. First honor! Thank you. First honor! First!
Our first runner-up goes to Miss Phoebe. From
touched. I was really touched. Nakikita ko sa mga mukha ninyo. You're very happy. Ang spirit ng Christmas, nandyan talaga sa inyo. I would like to thank you also. No other than si Jojo, si Madam Jojo, together with her husband, ang anak niya si Brian. Si Ma'am who is celebrating her birthday today. Happy birthday to you, Ma'am. Congratulations din po sa mga winners. Ang tapang ninyo po. You are really the modern heroes of the Philippines. Sabi nga si Digong, sabi nga si Marcos, sabi nga si Inday Sara Duterte, tayo po ang modern heroes of the Philippines. Ang daming tulong tayo po sa Pilipinas. And nakikita ko po tonight, I'm very proud and I will do my level best na sa Monday, kung papayag ang boss ko, idalan sa Daily Express, sino sa mga ibang newspaper, Chinese or English in the newspaper, I am going to send this story para at least dala kayo yun sa mga loved ones natin sa Pilipinas. Remember po. Maraming salamat po. Courage dito. I'm very happy to see you. And sana lang po, tuloy natin what we are doing. Preserve tayo ang pangalan ng Pilipino. Mga Pilipinas, ang Pilipinas. Let us show and preserve and tell the whole world, hindi lang ang mga Malaysians, that we are good workers, intelligent, friendly, and loving workers. Lalo mga ibang nasyon, may ibang OFWs or working people sa ibang nasyon dito sa Sabah. And don't forget, with the help of Madam Jojo, pagdating na ang expiry ng mga documents natin, please do not forget to renew it para wala tayong problema. Let us support si Madam Jojo. She has been here in Sabah. Trying to help, extend whatever helping hand she can do. She can extend sa mga Filipinos. Let us pray for her. Sana mahaba pa rin ang buhay ni Madam Jojo, ang asawa niya, ang anak niya, at si Ma'am. Sana mahaba pa rin. 82 is very young. Don't worry. I am 65. Kaya I try to habol sa iyo po kung pwede lang. Kung pwede lang, di ba? So let us be proud of ourselves. Let us be a model. Maski ganito lang tayo. Some people look at us, domestic helper lang. No! Kung hindi dahil sa atin, wala din sila. Kung hindi dahil sa atin, paano na ang Pilipinas? We won't be able. Hindi nyo ba alam ang mga OFWs? How big we are helping sa Pilipinas in terms of revenues. I can assure and I believe that each and every one of you here now are sending money to our loved ones. Tapusin na natin. Kanina I was really touched sa totoo lang. I saw ang show dito, a very brief show lang. Yung a lady, a participant, was sweeping. It reminds me of, sabi ko, very courageous yung babae, ang mga Pilipino. Simple sweeping. It's a pride for the Filipinos. Rather than we do some unhealthy activities. Saludo ako sa inyo po. And Merry Christmas sa ating lahat. Sana lang po, come 2025 New Year, sana lang po, i-level up natin ang trabaho, ang income, ang pangalan natin po. Pangalan ninyo po. Nandito lang ako. I'm proud to say, I am the only Filipino who is a middleman dito sa Sabah. A real middleman from Philippines, from Zamboanga City. And, hindi nyo alam, I'm not trying to push myself up or carry my chair. But I'm very proud to be a Filipino. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Kung sino man ang nag-support kayo kay Marcos o kay Duterte, mahalan niya kayo dyan. Thank you and good night. I love you.
Ako butang mga sport. Butang nakao na hubog na.
Dan!
Okay, go. Go. Okay, next. Gamay lang ha. Okay, ready? Ready?
Matamaan o hindi? Isang palo lang.
Isa lang ang palo. Ayaw pang itaang itlog. Ayaw sa lapa.
Isang palo. Ganun. Okay na.
Okay. Ready? Get set. Tuyok. 2, 3, 29. Okay, Lorna, go! Okay. Yung kay Carla, malapit mo kay Carla sa kanya.
Kayla, ganyan, Kayla. Sa kamay mo, kamay. Oh.
Okay, get ready. Head, toes, shoulder, head, toes, knees, head, shoulder, toes, head, shoulder. Puntiya!
May wala, pili ito, ma'am. Pangalan lang.
Hello, good evening. I'm Loida from Empower.
Hello.
Isip lang. Hey, Waki. 1, 2, 3.